The template provided with each switch machine is backed by adhesive. Locate the template in the appropriate spot and drill 4 holes for the mounting screws using the number 43 drill bit provided in the turnout drill set. Once you've drilled all the necessary holes for mounting your Walthers switch machine, make sure the track and centering yoke are in place on your layout. Insert the switch machine with the output rod through the center hole in the switch throw bar. Line up the alignment line you drew with the alignment mark molded on the switch machine. Mounting the switch machine is simple once the holes are all drilled. The self-tapping mounting screws simply screw into your layout. Once the switch machine is mounted, note that the 2 points are centered between the stock rails. Once you're finished with the installation, you would simply trim off the excess output rod above the ties using any standard cutter, a Dremel tool with a cutoff disc being the usual instrument of choice.